Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Monaik. I need to do some problem of cube root of unity. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe so that you can get notification whenever I will upload a new video. The question is given, if omega is a cube root of unity, then prove that 1 minus omega plus omega square into 1 plus omega square is equal to 4. Again 1 minus omega 1 into 1 minus omega square into 1 minus omega 4 into 1 minus omega 8 is equal to 9. 2 minus omega 2 minus omega square 2 minus omega 10 2 minus omega 11 is equal to 49. At first you see the first question, 1 minus omega plus omega square 1 plus omega minus omega square is equal to 4. You know that you take LHS equal to 1 minus omega plus omega square 1 plus omega minus omega square. Okay, you see omega is a cube root of unity. That means omega 1 plus omega square is equal to 0. Omega q is equal to 1. Okay, here you see, here I can write 1 plus omega square. I will write omega square first, then I will write minus omega. Here 1 plus omega minus omega square. You see, from this 1 plus omega square, from this 1 plus omega square equal to minus omega again, so I have to write minus omega. Here you see 1 plus omega equal to minus omega square. That means 1 plus omega, that means we have to write minus omega square. Okay, minus 2 omega square. You see, minus 2 that is plus 4, omega into omega square, that is omega cube, that is 4 into omega cube is equal to 1 is equal to 4 is equal to how much? RHS. It's proved. You see the second one. See, the question is given 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega 4 1 minus omega 8 is equal to 9. You take LHS is equal to 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega 4 1 minus omega 8. Okay, here you see 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega 4. Here you see omega q is equal to 1. Omega 4 is equal to how much? Omega q into omega, that is 1 into omega, that means omega 4 is equal to omega. Okay, here omega 4 is equal to omega, so we have to write omega 4, that is omega q into omega 8, that is omega 7 omega 6 into omega square. Okay, omega q into omega, that is omega omega q into omega, that is omega 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega q is equal to 1, so that is only 1 minus omega 6 also 1, that is 1 minus omega square. You see 1 minus omega, that is 1 minus omega square 1 minus omega square again 1 minus omega square, that is 1 minus omega square whole square. This is 1 minus omega whole square. You see, this is how much? 1 plus omega square minus 2 omega. Here also 1 plus omega 4 minus 2 omega square. Okay, 1 plus omega square how much? 1 plus omega square minus omega. Okay, minus 2 omega. 1 plus omega 4 is equal to omega 4 is equal to omega, that is 1 plus omega is equal to minus omega square minus 2 omega square is equal to minus 3 omega into minus 3 omega square. Minus 3 that is plus 9 omega q, that is 9 into 1 omega q is equal to 1 is equal to 9 is equal to RHS. Okay. You see question number 3. Number 3 is 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega 10. 2 minus omega 11. Okay. Is equal to 49 given. You take LHS. LHS is equal to 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega 10. Okay. 2 minus omega 11. You see, this is 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega square. Okay. 2 minus omega 10. Omega 10 is equal to omega 9 into omega. 2 minus omega 11. Omega 9 into omega square. Okay. 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega square. You see, omega 9 is equal to how much? 1. Okay. That is, this is 2 minus omega. 2 minus omega 9 is equal to 1. That is 2 minus omega square. 1 into omega square, that is omega square. Is equal to, you see, 2 minus omega. This is 2 minus omega. That is 2 minus omega whole square. Again 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega square. 2 minus omega square whole square. This is equal to how much? This is 4 plus omega square minus 4 omega. A minus B whole square. Here also 4 plus omega 4 minus 4 omega square. A minus B whole square applied. Okay. So here you see 4 plus omega square 4 plus omega square minus 4 omega. Here 4 omega 4 is equal to how much? Omega 4 is equal to, you see, omega 4 is equal to omega, that is 4 plus omega minus 4 omega square. You multiply these two. If you multiply these two, you can get how much? Here you can get, you make into 3 plus 1 plus omega square, 1 plus omega square minus 4 omega minus 4 omega. This you write 3 plus 1 plus omega minus 4 omega square. Okay. Is equal to 3. You see, 1 plus omega square, that is minus omega. 1 plus omega square is equal to minus omega minus 4 omega. Again 3 plus 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega minus omega square, minus omega square minus 4 omega square. Okay. 3 minus 5 omega. Here also 3 minus 5 omega square. You multiply these two. How much you can get? 3 into 3, 9. You multiply these two. 3 into 3 minus 5 omega square. 3 minus 5 omega square minus 5 omega into 3 minus 5 omega square is equal to 9 minus 15 omega square minus 15 omega plus 25 omega q. Okay. Is equal to, you see, omega q is equal to 1. So I can write 9 plus 25. Here you see 15. Taking common minus 15. You can get omega square plus omega. You see, minus omega square minus 15 omega. We have taken common minus 15. Okay. So this is 9 plus 25, that is 34 minus 15 omega square plus omega. You find here you find omega square plus omega is equal to minus 1, that is minus 1. 34 plus 15 is equal to 49 is equal to RHS proved.